Become a digital superhero, ethical hacking explained. Ever wondered how the good guys fight cybercrime? Let's dive into the world of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is like being a security guard for the digital world. It involves legally and ethically testing computer systems and networks to find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers do. Think of it as a white hat approach to cybersecurity. Imagine a bank vault with a hidden weakness. Ethical hackers find those weaknesses before the bad guys can exploit them. This prevents data breaches, protects sensitive information, and keeps our digital lives secure. It's crucial for businesses and individuals alike. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools and techniques. They perform penetration testing, analyze code, and simulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities. They are like digital detectives, always one step ahead of the criminals. Interested in joining the fight against cybercrime? Start by learning programming, networking, and security fundamentals. Consider pursuing certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. The digital world needs you. Ready to become a digital superhero? Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity insights, tips, and career guidance. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's build a safer digital world together.